Hey guys, welcome back to another Thunderbye Tronics video. In this video, I will be replacing the screen on this iPad mini 5th generation. I will start the repair by putting the iPad on my heating plate to soften the adhesive. Next, I can use my suction cup tool to lift up on the screen, making a big enough gap for my pry tool. Then I can move the pry tool around the edge of the iPad, lifting up as I go. Then I can remove the two screws holding the bracket covering the display and battery connectors. Then I can disconnect the screen. Then the screen can be removed from the iPad. Now I will remove the old adhesive from the frame of the iPad. Next, I will remove the home button from the old screen because I will need to move it over to the new screen. Each home button is synced to each iPad, so if I use another home button, the Touch ID feature will be removed, and the home button sometimes may not even work. Now I can unbox the new screen. Now I will connect the new screen so I can test that it is functioning as it should. I will also reconnect the battery. After testing the screen, I can disconnect the battery and the screen. Now I will install the new home button on the new screen. I will use a small amount of liquid adhesive to keep the home button in place. Now I will use some isopropyl alcohol to clean the frame of the iPad before applying the new adhesive. Now the new adhesive can be installed. There was some adhesive that was pre-applied, but I don't think the tape adhesive is adequate, so I'll add some extra liquid adhesive. After the adhesive is applied, I will connect the screen and battery and screw down the plate covering the connectors. Now I can close the iPad up. I will let the iPad sit for a couple hours with clamps in order for the adhesive to fully dry. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.